Heat is actually a form of energy that is being transferred from a substance at a higher temperature to another substance or substances at a lower temperature. Have you ever touched a hot pot that was on a stove? What happens when you touch it? It burns your hand because the heat energy is transferring from the hot pot to your hand. Your hand had a different temperature than the hot pot. Your hand was much cooler than the hot pot. Heat energy always travels from a hotter substance to the colder substance. In this case, it travels from the pot to your hand. Think about what happens to a mug of coffee when you pour hot coffee into it. The mug felt cool at first, but then felt hotter as you poured the hot coffee into it. The hot coffee transferred its heat energy to the mug, which was cooler.
Conduction of heat. This video talks about the conduction of heat. Let's perform an activity to understand the conduction of heat. Take a straight and flat rod of aluminum or iron to fix some nails using wax. Fix the rod to a stand. Now, heat the other end of the rod with a spirit lamp. Absorb the order in which the nails drop down. The nail near the spirit lamp falls down first, followed by its nearest neighbor, and so on. The one near the stand falls down last. The heat supplied by the spirit lamp flows to the other end of the rod by conduction. This phenomenon is repeated throughout the length of the rod. In this way, the heat energy gets transferred from the hot region to the cold region. Transmission of heat in solid substances takes place through conduction. For the conduction to take place from the hot portion of the body to the cold part of it, or from the hot body to the cold body, the two parts should be in contact with each other.